Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically open up your Word document on Google Docs. So just select like a new Google Docs document, go to File, go to Open, and select the upload and select the file that you want to open. Just going to select this one, and it's going to upload the file for you, and it's going to format it into a Google Docs file, as you can see. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And I think that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.